and today we're unboxing.
I've got my thing.
We unboxing this. What is this? You think a new laptop? So the old one, I'll have an account for the old one. So unbox it, boy. I'm just a helper for this video. Let me go to the other side. Oh shoot! Is it a big or a small one?
It's that size.
Oh, can I take it out?
Yeah.
You hold it. You hold the phone.
Okay. Careful, there is a knife next to you, mate. Grab that.
Oh, can we open it?
Yeah.
Wait, this looks so... Ooh, what's this?
Just to keep it safe, I think.
Can we turn it on?
We need to charge it, so just wait.